Here I'll be describing how to add sounds. So to add sounds, just go to the sound menu and add this meow. So it does this sound. So I have to again add another control which uses the same control. Now add the forever, so it keeps playing on that, and now in order to stop it we have to stop program. So now when it does, pretty ugly. This is definitely what I want to do. So do it, drag this one, and now see the magic. And I have added in my recording, which is my meow, and now look at the magic.
Meow, 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 meow.
Well, so how can you record a sound is going to the sound menu and click record or import. If you don't have a recorder on your computer or laptop, if you don't have a microphone, you can't record, and that's all. How can